Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Inner Secrets. I'm Diana Rasili. So today's reading is going to be for Aries, okay? Reading for the month of June for Aries. So let's see what's there for you, Aries. It's a guidance in the starting of the month. Whatever the tarot will guide us, we are going to cover up your finance, your business, your work, your relationship, or whatever is going to come, right? So so let's get connected to our angels and God or goddesses, whoever you believe. So please take whatever resonates with you. This is a general reading. If you want to have a personal reading, my numbers are given, so you can just get in touch with me. You can send a message or even call me or even fix an appointment. So one-to-one session can be done on the video call if you're from different places or cities or even countries. So let's see, Aries, what's there for the month of June for you, okay? No, a lot of card wants to come, okay? So I'm a true believer of angels, so let's hope angels are going to guide you to get a good reading today for Aries, okay? For the zodiac sign of Aries. Okay, so let's see. If the cards are not visible, I'm going to just show you one by one, okay? On the cam so that you will be able to see the cards. Well, okay, fine. Okay. Okay, Aries, so month of June is going to be a little bit of tough starting for you. Probably, you will have to change your character. Maybe my Aries was a little bit soft-hearted till previous months or previous years. So this coming month, in the month of June, you have changed your character. Maybe, you have undergone so much of difficult times that, you want to change yourself. Your character is coming with King of Swords, right? So you're changing into King of Swords. You're ready to fight a battle. You are going to take sides of yourself, okay? You're going to be outspoken. You're going to be very supportive to your family members also. So this is something very good character of Aries in the month of June, where you are becoming a very, very strong person, okay? So it does not matter whether it's a female or a male. So individually the card is guiding you, so it is saying that you are going to become a very, very strong person in the month of June, right? So there is an Ace of Rods. So Ace of Rod is basically some kind of good news or some kind of new starting is going to happen in your life. It can also be with your job, or it can be some kind of business that you have started, some kind of job, some kind of business, some kind of growth in your workplace, so some kind of good news, or maybe some very big orders. If you people have got some trade business, so some very big kind of orders you're going to get from company, that is going to really boost your finance. And another card what I'm getting for Aries is Nine of Rods, where I see you waiting for something, Aries. So what are you waiting, Aries? Like, are you waiting for someone special in your life? Are you waiting for a new venture or a new job? There's a waiting card here. So another card is Four of Rods. So definitely for Aries in the month of June, there are chances of having a very good time with your friends and family. Okay, so maybe you might go around, hang around with your friends and have a good time. Maybe Aries really needs to take a break now. It seems like you had a really, really hard days, so many months you were working so hard, you were focusing, so now you want to take a break where you want to go see places, spend some good time with your friends and family. So I can see that in your card. So some kind of vacation is there. Definitely this card is, another card is very beautiful card, that is Ace of Pentacles. That's money, right? So yes, Aries, in the month of June you are going to see a growth of money or finance. Like so many, I mean, till last a month or last year your finance was okay, balanced, but now you can see a good profit in your finance, a lot of good growth in your finance. So this is something very good. Okay, so another card is Strength. Definitely, I told you the whole character of Aries is changed in this month, because you are becoming more stronger, not just like physically, but also from internally. You are gathering all your strength to fight your battle ahead, right? So there is another card, that is Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is a beautiful card. A Wheel of Fortune also tells you that the growth in your finance as well as your relationship. Overall, a balanced month for you, June month. Another card what I'm getting is a Hermit. I don't know why this kind of after having such a good card, there's another card that is Hermit. Definitely Hermit is, maybe many of the Aries, sometimes, like till last months you people were very much disturbed emotionally. There are times that you used to love to spend time alone, but this month is going to change a little bit, because you want to come out of that hermit zone and like enjoy your life. Okay, so there's a Six of Cups. So many Aries who are married, who have a family, you are going to be a very, your family time is going to be very beautiful. You are going to spend time with your kids, your wife. If it has been many months where you had not given them a lot of time and energy, you are going to give that time and energy to them. So even your family are going to be very, very happy. And for those Aries, you want to get married or settle down, I think few of your family members are searching some girls for you to get married. Okay, a lot of good things are coming. But the last card, which is really not, I'm not happy to see this card, is Eight of Swords. So what is so suffocating for you? I know the Aries characters, they cannot stick on in something for long. This character Aries always have is like, if I like something, if they like anything, they like that for a certain amount of years or time, and after that they just get fed up and they want to move for something else. So maybe for many of the Aries, the job sector where they're working, they're not really happy about it. They want to change the job. They want to, if any business that that was not giving them satisfaction, they might want to like jump into something else. So I'm going to clarify these two cards, because this does not look a pretty good card. So let me just clarify, why is this Eight of Swords for my Aries? Okay, oh, okay, fine. Okay, Aries, so there are cards like, see, there's a finance card also, right? So some of the Aries are juggling between two partners. Okay, it's a general reading. So again, I'm telling you, please don't take it like if it does not match with your current scenario. To have a very proper, reading, you have to have a personal reading. You have to get in touch with me where I can do a personal reading for you, because the energies of your, like when I do an individual reading, the energies will match, right? So the card are going to match with you, but this is a general reading, so we tend to pick up lot of energies of people around. So the stuck up card, the Eight of Swords, where you are looking a little bit confused, stuck, suffocated. So the main thing is like for many of the Aries, I think you were juggling with two people, financially also and even relationship wise. So now you are ready to, come out, because that stuck up phase is making you very suffocated. So you are gathering your strength to come out of it. Maybe some kind of relationship which was not serving your purpose, right? You are not happy in that. You are physically present, but mentally, emotionally, that satisfaction, that relationship was not giving you. So now Aries are like gathering their strength, and they want to come out of that confusion zone and offer a cup of emotions to a partner whom they feel that they are very much attached. So this is what the card is showing. If it is not with a relationship, with some of the Aries are already married. So this can also be for a job people who are really stuck up in a particular job and they want to come out of that zone. They want to explore, right? So this is the right time in the month of June for Aries to come out from that stuck up zone and try searching for something new. Because if you gather your strength, if you think that, oh, if I leave this job, how am I going to survive? So definitely, before applying for any new job, before your interview is qualified, don't leave your previous job, hang on with that. But at the sidebar, you can search some new opportunities, because I can see that a lot of new opportunities are going to come into your life in the month of June. So June is going to be a good month for Aries, right? So let me also clarify the card of Hermit, because okay, yeah, Hermit, why has it come? Because okay, right. See, the Hermit card is maybe for some sectors of Aries, you are having a lot of altercation with your friends and family, or even your colleagues where you're working. But the card is telling you that you have to come into era of Emperors that you are doing. Aries are changing their character, right? They are becoming King of Swords. Now, the card is also telling you that you are going to come into a very good position of Prince, right? Now, Prince, it's not that if you're a male, you can be a king, right? So you are coming into a very strong aura, a very strong character, where you are setting your boundaries and you are telling people what is good and what is right for you, right? So you're going to fight for that, because so many months or so many, maybe 1 or 2 years, you have been struggling with this kind of scenario, this kind of moments that's happening in your life, right? So you're very silent, you are suffering from inside, so you're going to come out. So June is basically a coming out from that stuck up zone for Aries. It's a very, very good card. I'm really happy. So the only thing what I can see is, like, if some of the Aries are feeling really stuck up in life, please gather your strength and please try to come out, do something new. Definitely, I won't say that leave everything and go ahead, but yes, balance everything. If you are going to search a job, see that you get a proper job and then you quit your job. If you're into relationship, make sure that you, if you are not happy with your current partner, sit across, discuss your problem, and if you have to say, if the things are not matching between you two, you will have to say goodbye to those partner also, because you cannot suffer, right? So you cannot just to please someone else, you cannot stay in the relationship just to please them. You have to be happy, right? So you have to take a very stern decision in your life. So Aries, yes, overall card is good, finance is good, some good news is there for the business people, some kind of new orders are there, a very big fat orders you people are going to get. And yes, a waiting card. Yes, I would like to clarify this waiting card for you, the 9 of Rods. What are my Aries waiting so much? Okay, King of Wands, right? See, again, the card is clarifying something, a new start for you. Something new starting is coming again and again. So maybe many of the Aries are waiting for so many years to get some kind of good news from your job sector or from a relationship. And that is very soon going to happen. So it's a very, very good card, in fact, Aries. So please stay alert, gather your strength, be outspoken, right? Yes, Aries characters are like that. They are a very, very outspoken people, right? They know what is good and what is bad, and people have a very wrong perspective about you, but you people are really a good and a genuine person to have in a life, as a good friend, as a good partner. So anyway, Aries, so this was your reading for the month of June. I hope this tarot guidance is going to help you to make a correct decision in the month of June. If you want to have a personal reading, again, I'm telling you, please don't take decisions entirely on this general reading. If you want a proper reading, you have to have a one-to-one session with me. My numbers are given there, my phone numbers are there, so please try to contact me, or WhatsApp me. You can message me and then we can fix an appointment. Okay, so if you feel that this tarot guidance have helped you, please hit a like button or share with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon, Aries. Bye bye. Take care.